Searching for a quick and healthy lunch option? Consider whipping up a delicious turkey and avocado wrap. This is an easy-to-make, satisfying, and nutrition-packed choice that will be ready in a snap. The ingredients you'll need are simple and flexible, allowing you to tailor the wrap to your personal taste. Start with one large whole grain or spinach tortilla wrap. Add 4 to 6 slices of deli turkey or your preferred protein. Slice half a ripe avocado and gather a half cup of mixed greens like lettuce, spinach, or arugula. You'll also need a small tomato, 2 to 3 slices of your favorite cheese, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise or your favorite spread. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, and consider optional additions like red onion, cucumber, or bacon for added flavor and crunch. To assemble, begin by laying the tortilla wrap on a clean surface. Spread your chosen condiment evenly over the tortilla, leaving a small border around the edges. Then begin layering the ingredients in the center of the tortilla. Start with the turkey slices, followed by the avocado, mixed greens, tomato slices, and cheese. Season your creation with a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of black pepper. Feel free to add any optional ingredients at this stage. Finally, fold in the sides of the tortilla and roll it up tightly from the bottom, creating a neat and tasty wrap. Serve it whole or cut it in half for easier handling, and a sneak peek at the colorful ingredients inside. In sum, this turkey and avocado wrap is a versatile and healthy lunch option. It's quick to assemble, customizable to your taste, and perfect for those busy days when time is short, but hunger is real. So, go ahead, give it a try and savor the deliciousness of a homemade, nutritious, and satisfying lunch. Enjoy!